Okay, made a quick trip by Target today at lunch, and over in their Easter section they have the Monster High vinyl pet figures, and they're actually clearance down to $1.49. So they're practically, I don't know what it is, 75% off. I think 75% off. And go check out your Easter section in Target. Now I'm finding these on a Wednesday after the Easter Sunday, so if you're watching this video, they might still have some left, not really sure, but $1.49 is a great deal on these vinyl pet figures, especially if you don't have them. If you're a Monster High collector. They also have some of the City Lego poly bags, set 30347. This comes with like a police car, a fire truck, like a vehicle, and a fireman, as you can see right there, and they're only $1.19. So I think they're regular $3.99. So some really good deals in Target for the after Easter clearance sale. I always take a look in the section where they have the candy on sale and everything. They also have a lot of toys, so pretty good deal on Target. And over in the Monster High section, a couple of things I haven't seen lately. The re-release of the Monster High dolls, the original dolls. They have Dracula and Cleo right there. So they're $14.99. Haven't seen these in a while. They also, of course, have some of the budget dolls right here. And there's a Scare Scream School Fair, and of course, still the Chase figures from the first vinyl Monster High figure. So check your Target out, especially, excuse me, can't talk today, if you're looking for the original dolls on the re-release. Drive by Walmart at lunch today, kind of funny because I'm in the clearance section right here, seeing if they have any Monster High or Ever After High dolls on clearance. And they have the Monster High Monster Movie Mobile for the Mega Blocks, and it's $29.94. As far as I know, that's a regular price. So I'm not sure, some Walmarts just put stuff in their clearance aisles that aren't on clearance, but it happens a lot. But right by it, of course, another one of the old fashion packs, and it's the Spectra. Reduced 35% off, it says, with $3.25, but this is extremely old. I see these every once in a while at Walmart. So if you're looking for any of the older fashion packs, check out your Walmart's clearance section. You never know what you might be able to find, but this is definitely not a clearance item. Kind of funny. And they also have lots more of the Pop Funkos in Walmart, and it says they're $8.78. I haven't scanned them, so if that's the case, then they're a little bit cheaper than what they normally are. Of course, these are mostly from the Batman vs. Superman movie, but they also have some from Batman Arkham Asylum right there, and of course the Harley Quinns that I've shown in the previous toy hunt videos. So if you're looking for any of the Pop Funko figures, check Walmart out. It's on a section in the middle of their aisle, so it says $8.78. Not too bad. Oh, there's Reverse Flash right there also. Anybody who watches a Flash, he's a really cool character. So Pop Funko Walmart. And they also have a lot of the Batman vs. Superman toys for the movie that just came out. Here they have the Breakaway Panel Batman Epic Strike Batmobile. It's pretty cool. And they also have the Batmobile City Chase with an exclusive Battle Damage Batmobile Hot Wheels toy inside. Right there. And they also have some of these packs that have the Batman figure and a Batmobile. And this is from Hot Wheels too, as you can see right there. So check Walmart out for new Batman vs. Superman toys for the new movie that just came out. Let me know, leave in the comments if you've seen the movie and if you liked it and so forth. And they also have some blind bags or mystery mini boxes over in the toy aisles at Walmart. So this isn't up front by any registers or anything. They have it in the toy aisle over where all the figures are and so forth, as you can see right here. They have the new Marvel Civil War, Captain America Civil War bobblehead figures right here. Mystery minis. And these are the ones you can get. There's 1 in 12 chance of getting each of these. So as you can see, they have Falcon, they have Iron Man, Captain America, Black Panther. There's Ant-Man right there, looks like, and a few other characters. Is that Ant-Man? Leave in the comments. Let me know if you're getting these. There's Hawkeye right there. Not a price on these. I believe they're probably $6.99 or $7.99. And some blind bags, deluxe. Somebody already opened one. Deluxe minifigs, mini collectibles. This is from Justice League actually. So let me know if you are collecting any of these. They have some over here. It looks like Batman vs. Superman, and these are Series 1 Mighty Minis. I'm not sure what the heck people are doing. They're opening all these, so probably not a good idea to put these over in the toy aisle. They should probably have them up front on the registers, but you know how people are nowadays. They want to take what they can get. But Captain America Civil War Mystery Minis, they're pretty cool right there in the toy aisle, Walmart. And anybody still looking for the Lego minifigures Series 15, they've got a bunch in Target, or at least in this Target. They're $3.99 plus tax, as you can see. And at the bottom, lots of the Series 14, so the ones with the monster figures. I haven't seen these in a while. They've kind of disappeared, but they have a lot at this Target. So if you're looking for Series 15 or Series 14, check your local Target out. They're at the end cap, so if you can check in that area. And in the Monster High section in Target, they have a Heath Burns Ghoul Fair. You do not see these very often, and they're actually down to $9.99 right here. So they were $12.99. It looks like it's $9.99. And of course over here some more Ghouls Getaway dolls, Great Scary Reef. These are not on sale. Looks like they're $14.99. But oh, and some more vinyl chase figures, Dracula. It looks like there's 3 of them there. So pretty good price on the Ghouls Fair dolls. And over here we have some of the Disney Descendant dolls. And here's one we haven't seen yet. It's Ben. As you can see right there. If you flip them around, if I can hold it, these are $19.99. There's the back of the box. And of course down here, several of the 2-packs. You have the Ben and the Mal right there. And over here you have the Carlos and Evie. Now these are $35.99. So Disney Descendants in Target. Okay, dropped by Toys R Us today, and they have the new Angry Birds movie Legos. As you can see right here, they have Bird Island Egg Heist. It's well, you know what, it says $29.99, but it looks like that's from the Avengers, so I'm not sure how much this is. They also have the Pig City Teardown. On a smaller set, they have the Piggy Plane Attack right here. And at the bottom, they have King Pig's Castle, 859 pieces. This is going to be the biggest set in this theme. So like a pretty cool looking castle from Angry Birds. And over here they have the Piggy Pirate Ship right here. So a lot of new sets in Toys R Us from the Angry Birds movie. It looks like there's 5 different sets. If I see any more, I'll include it in the video. So leave in the comments if you like the Angry Birds movie, if you plan on getting the sets from the Lego. Looks like a pretty cool theme in Toys R Us. And this is the only place I've seen these, by the way. And they also have the Monster High Great Scary Reef movie in Toys R Us. It's $14.99. It's over in the section where the dolls are. And of course some more of the Monster High Mega Block Collection Series 2 figures. There's Cleo right here. And there is Caddy Nor. So if you're looking for the movie, oh, and a Frankenstein Gloom Beach at the top. I don't see those very often. So all this is in Toys R Us. So if you're looking for the movie, get to Toys R Us. Great Scary Reef.